In this example, we're going to look at budgeted cash receipts and disbursements for a company. So we have a lot of information about this company. We have what the cash sales were for 3 months, what our credit sales are for 3 months. And then we're told that past experience shows that 5% of our credit sales are uncollectible. And of the 95% of credit sales that are collectible, 60% are collected in the month of sale, and the remaining 40% are collected in the month following the month of sale. We have a 1.5% discount for payment within 10 days of billing, and 75% of our customers take advantage of that discount. So first we're going to deal with cash receipts, and then we'll look at these inventory purchases for our cash disbursements. So when we're looking at the budgeted receipts for November and December, so we have cash receipts for November. So first, all of our cash sales are collected in cash. So our cash sales for November are $120,000. Next, we're going to look at our collection of those credit sales. So what's in our accounts receivable? We're going to have collections from October sales, and from November sales. So first we have our 75% of customers that take the discount. So we're going to have that we had credit sales from October of $100,000. Okay. We know that 5% of them are uncollectible. So only 95% is collectible, 0.95. Then we're going to take that times 40% because 40% are collected in the month following the sale. We're then going to take that times 75% because 75% of our customers take a discount. And then we're going to take that times 0.985 because 100% minus 1.5% gives us 0.985. This gives us our cash collections from October sales, factoring in the discount. The amount for the no discount is exactly the same, except we're going to remove that 0.985 and we're going to change 75% of customers to 25% of customers. Then from November sales, we have the discount and no discount amounts. So let's look at our discount first. So we have credit sales in November of 150,000. Now we're only going to collect 95% of those because 95% are uncollectible. In the month of the sale, we collect 60%, so times 0.6. Then we're going to factor in that discount, 75% of our customers times 0.985. And the customers that don't take a discount are our credit sales from November times 0.95 times 0.6 times 0.25. So our total cash receipts in November $242.11. Then we would do the same exact thing for December. So we're going to collect from November sales and from December sales. So first we start with our cash sales in December. So we received cash of $80,000. Then we're going to look at our November sales. So our no discount sales, I'm going to take our November credit sales times 0.95 times 0.4, we're in the month after, times 0.25. And then for our discount, credit sales times 0.95 times 0.4 times 0.75 times 0.985. Those for our sales with discount. Then we do the same thing with our December sales, except remember in the month of the sale, we collect 60%. So with the discount, we have 90,000 in credit sales times 0.95 to remove the part that's uncollectible times 0.75% of our customers take the discount times 0.6 in the month of sale times our discount 0.985. And no discount, so our credit sales times 0.95 times 0.25 of customers that don't take the discount times 0.6 in the month of sale. So our total cash receipts in December $187,082. Now we want to look at budgeted cash disbursements. So it tells us that inventory purchased each month are 100% of the cost of the following month's projected sales. Our gross profit rate is 30%. All merchandise purchases are made on credit with 25% paid in the month of purchase and the remainder paid in the following month. No cash discounts for early payments are in effect. So our budgeted cash disbursements So for November, we're going to have October purchases and November purchases. So we're going to be paying 25% of November's purchases. We purchase the next month's sales. So first we're going to have the 170,000 in sales from December. Now we don't need the full amount because our gross margin, our gross profit rate is 30%. The opposite of 30% is 7%. Times the 25% that we're going to pay in that month. And that was for our November purchases. For our October purchases, we're going to have November sales times 0.7, because our gross margin is 30%, which means that our cost of goods sold is 70%, times 0.75. So our total November disbursements and then for December, we're going to have our November purchases and our December purchases. So for November, we're going to pay on December sales, 0.7 times 0.75. And in December, it tells us that in January we have $200,000. So it's going to be that 200,000 for January times 0.7 times 25%. So our December cash disbursements are $124,250.